Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of the Global Citizenship. Approximately 3 weeks ago in Asakusa, they opened up a new walkway that connects Asakusa to Tokyo Skytree. That place is actually called Mizumachi. As you can see now, Asakusa is quite fully packed. If you see my last video about Asakusa going through the Tokyo lockdown, Asakusa was quiet as fuck. And on top of that, it is hot as fuck as well. So right now in today's episode, we're going to be exploring Mizu Machi, which is the new community hub that's going to connect between Asakusa to Tokyo Skytree. If you haven't been there yet, this is the opportunity for you to see this before the tourists come back into Tokyo. Come and follow us. Toss me, bro. How's it? Normal? Bad?
Though so many articles are kept around you, you can't get them in your hand. You may get deficit and harm sometimes. Be very careful that your house will be burned. So keep a thick guard around your house. Do believe in God, guard yourself with deep care, and your future will be in peace forever.
Welcome to the walkway that connects both the areas of Asakusa to Tokyo Skytree. This bridge was actually built not so long ago, approximately maybe just a year ago. However, with that being said though, what's especially amazing, according to most newspapers and blog sites, is this area is actually quite a good area if you're going to bring someone for a date. So if you're going to be here, this is definitely the place to take you for a personal date. And yeah, that's pretty much it of Mizumachi. It's a lot smaller than anticipated because most of the shops here are not open yet. So if you plan to come here between, at the time when I publish this video, which is July, up until maybe September, there's not going to be much to see other than Family Mart, which is right there. Anyway, at least from here, it's an easy walk to Tokyo Skytree. Okay.
ヘロキティショップだよ。
そうじゃない。ヘロキティショップ。いいな。いいな。
かわいい。すごい。
So we finally arrived at our favorite restaurant, Saizeria. After pretty much like 10 minutes of walking around, we were kind of deciding exactly where to go eat. So we went to Moomin Cafe, but apparently they had alcohol. Then we went to another cafe, what they call Tokyo Sky Bar. They had some good things, but the atmosphere didn't really suit. We also went to another bar called Unlimited Cafe Coffee Bar nearby, but then they were going to close up anyway soon. So we decided just to go to Saizeria, which happens to be, you know, a very, very famous but quite reasonable priced Italian restaurant here in Tokyo. Anyway, that pretty much ends the story. So a couple of things to wrap up from today's lessons. We went to Mizumachi. Things are pretty much closed still. I can't really explain it. It was a lot more. How I said it was a lot more. It was smaller than expected, really. I mean, we're kind of going there expecting to see like, you know, a big number of restaurants are available to eat, and we're kind of expected to eat there. But then it didn't really happen because none of the cafes kind of appealed to us. I am hopeful, however, that Mizumachi will eventually have a few restaurants that are available, as well as at least have an atmosphere that's appropriate to any or all of us here in Tokyo. But it is advertised as an emerging community hub, and also a place where, you know, they're kind of advertising in the news that it's a place where, you know, where people can bring their partners to dates. So that's probably one thing. So if you happen to be in Tokyo between August up until maybe September, don't expect a lot from Mizumachi. Again, my name is Marvin. Welcome to another episode of the Global Citizenship. We do lots of guides guides, not just in Japan, but globally around the world. We are in the middle of making a website and hiring a few of local correspondents to contribute to our guide. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.